Kiambote. Vamos kututala una apangizeto. Sitomokena sialongo kagingelezo. Welcome to you who are watching. We have a brother. I'm your brother. We have a sister from America. They are from Congo Kingdom. They want to learn language, Kikongo. This is the language spoken that was spoken by ancestors before they went to America. Okay, we are going to learn first lesson from Papa Makondekwa and the Professor Hazel Carter. Here we have, you can see the name. I'll go. Now let's go to the lesson. Let's have time. I need to share my screen. Bear with me. I need to share my screen. Okay. Yes. Any volunteer to read? Who can read for us, please? Any volunteer, no?
I'll try.
Yeah, go ahead, Pamela.
Okay. Congo language course.
Well done.
Malungi,
Makikongo.
Makikongo, Kizombo.
Wow, well done. Wow. Go ahead.
By Professor Hazel Carter
Wow.
and the Reverend Jao Mekandekwa.
Wow, well done.
Joan Hazel Carter, 2202-1928 to 308-2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrase in Congo language.
Yes.
Okay, and we have African Studios Program, Department of African Language and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Thank you very much, Pamela. Tutondele. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Okay, here you go. This is our first lesson, section 1.
Okay. Kiambote.
Emily, I'm sure Emily, you can read that, please. Emily.
Kiambote. How are you?
Wow. Can you repeat it, please? Can you do it again, please? Can you read again, Emily, please? Emily, let's go. Oh, we have an issue with Emily now. Tiffany, can you read, please?
Kiambote.
Thank you. Tiffany?
Kiambote.
Thank you very much. Karima?
Kiambote.
Kiambote. Pamela?
Kiambote.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Let us go to the next. Next slide. Emily, please.
There's nothing there.
There's nothing. We don't see anything.
Right. How come I lost my? Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. Let me try to share my screen again. I lost my screen. Okay. Go ahead, Emily, please.
Oh. Tayata?
Well done, Tata. This is what you call Tata. Normally, when you write, you don't need to write twice A. Just one A is correct. But this is what we call long vowel. Long vowel in long vowel. Tata.
Okay.
Father, sir, madam. Tiffany, please.
Tata.
Tata. Well done. Karima.
Tate.
Tata.
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 Tata. Well done. Emily, have you read Emily, no? Oh,
Yes,
Pamela, yeah?
Tata.
Pamela. Pamela, please.
Tata.
Well done. Tata.
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 Okay.
Father. What's it over? This is
Mhm.
our language.
Nangwa.
No.
Nangwa.
Nwangwa?
Oh, who's that?
That was,
Was Emily?
yeah, Nangwa?
Wow, well done. Nengwa, Nengwa,
Nangwa.
Nengwa,
There's another.
Nengwa, Nengwa. Well done, Nengwa. Pamela, please.
Nangwa.
Nengwa. Nengwa. We get WA, Nengwa. Tiffany, please.
Nangwa.
Nengwa.
Nengwa. Karima, please.
Nengwa.
Thank you very much. Wow, well done. Be careful. There's no H here. This is Kikongo. There's no H.
Hello.
No. Listen to me careful. Hello.
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 Emily, please.
Hello.
Hello. Pamela.
Hello.
Hello. Tiffany, please.
Hello.
Hello. Karima.
Hello.
Oh, hello means yes. Emily, please. Ingeta.
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 Wow, well done.
Ingeta.
Pamela, please.
Ingeta.
Ingeta, well done. Tiffany.
Ingeta.
Wow, you can read the English there. Karima, please.
Ingeta.
Ingeta. Ingeta, well done. Listen carefully. Ve. Ve. Don't worry about the double V. Ve. Ve.
Ve.
Ve.
Ve.
Emily, please.
Ve.
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 Pamela, please.
Ve.
Tiffany.
Ve.
Thank you, Karima.
Ve.
Ve. Ah, okay. Here we have the long vowel. You wouldn't write double A, just one A, but this is just for, it is a phonetic spelling.
Sala Kiambote.
See the double A. Sala. Sala. Sala Kiambote. Emily, please.
Sala Kambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kambote.
Well done. Pamela, please.
Sala Kiambote.
Wow, well done. Sala Kiambote. Tiffany, please.
Sala Kiombote.
Wow, well done. Karima.
Sale Kambote.
Sala Kiambote. Wow, well done. Next slide. Okay. Here again, be careful when you see double letter, repeating the double letter. It's always long vowel. The way you pronounce it is not the same as one E. Wenda, Wenda Kiambote. Emily, please.
Wenda Kambote.
Wenda Kiambote.
Wenda Kambote.
Emily, please, again.
Wenda Kambote.
Kiambote. Wenda Kiambote. Well done. Pamela, please.
Wenda Kiambote.
Wow, that's good. Wenda Kiambote.
Thank
Tiffany.
Wenda Kiombote.
Wow, well done. Wow. Karima.
Wende Kambote.
Wenda Kiambote. You can read the English. I don't need to read that because you can, I mean, I don't need to explain it. It's there. Luckily, the course was made in English. Kikongo to English translation.
Oh, stable.
Nusala Kiambote.
Nusala
Mm.
Kiambote.
Emily, please.
Nusala Kiambote.
Mind the long vowel. Nusala sa sala
Nusala
Nusala Kiambote. Well done. Long vowel, very careful, because we have the same word for work, same word for staying.
Okay.
Pamela, please.
Nusala Kambote.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, Nusala Kiambote. Tiffany, please.
Nusala Kiambote.
Wow, that's good. Karima, please.
Musala Kambote.
Nusala Kiambote. I think I have to go back. We need to.
Sala, Nusala.
Okay, when you say Sala Kiambote, goodbye, but can you read the bracket? The word within the bracket.
You want us to read them out?
Literally say, well, said by person leaving.
Leaving.
So let us go back to
leaving.
Wenda Kiambote.
Said by person staying.
Goodbye, said by person staying.
Ah, okay.
Can I go back, because when we have to practice at the end of this lesson.
Got it. Okay.
Sala Kiambote. Mind the vowel, long vowel, because when I say, if I said to you, do a good work, do well, work well, be strong, I can say Sala, meaning to work, not to stay. So this is stay, to stay.
Okay.
Sala Kiambote, stay by person leaving. Okay. When the Kiambote, say by person staying. Nusala Kiambote. Emily, can you read the words? I mean, the sentence within bracket, please.
Nusala Kiambote. Stay well.
Then,
To several people or a senior person.
okay. Now, Tiffany, now you're thinking as a Mukongo. You think like a native of Congo Kingdom. This is our philosophy, the way we say, the way we think. Nusala Kiambote. You say that stay well to several people or
a senior person.
A senior
person. Now you think as a Mukongo, native Congo person. Nwenda Kiambote. Remember, Wenda, you, Nwenda, youth, many. And the Kiambote.
I have to write this over. This will go people.
It's fine. Don't worry about spend too much time taking it, because all the video are online. You can, when you have time, can watch it again.
Okay.
Ooh,
okay.
Okay.
God bless you. Salud.
Okay.
Thank you.
In Kikongwas, we say Santuka. We're getting there. It is in this lesson. We're getting there. Santuka. Bless you.
Santuka.
Santuka. We're getting there.
All right.
Kediambuko. Emily, please.
Kediambuko.
Kediambuko.
You can read the English, please.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Never mind.
Pamela, please.
Keyambuko.
Kediambuko.
Kediambuko.
Tiffany, please.
Kediamboko.
Wow, well done. Karima, please.
Keyamboto.
Kediambuko. Remember, long vowel. You got double A. Kediambuko.
Kediambuko.
Diambote. Be careful. We have Kiambote and Diambote. Kiambote, hello. Diambote, good. It is good. Oh, that's good. Diambote.
Diambote.
Good.
Diambote.
Kiambote, hello. Hey,
Diambote.
hello. Diambote, something's wrong, right? Ah, good. That is good. What? Diambote.
Diambote.
Yambote.
Can you repeat Emily, please?
Yambote.
Diambote. Diambote. Pamela, please.
Yambote.
Diambote.
Tiffany, please.
Diambote.
Well done. Be careful. It's not Kiambote, Diambote. Well done.
Diambote.
Karima, please.
Yambote.
Diambote. Well done. Ah, okay. The crunch. Listen careful. Away.
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 Emily.
Away. Away.
Give 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. I need to write something quickly. Sorry. Okay, Pamela, please.
Away.
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 Yes. Tiffany, please.
Away.
Hey. Wow. Well done. Karima, please.
Away.
Wait, that's good. Diambote. See, now I can say Diambote.
Diambote.
That's good. Diambote. Yeah, that's good.
Diambote.
Diambote. Listen to me, please. Listen carefully. Akwei.
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 Emily, please. Emily.
Akwei.
Well, welcome. Akwei. Where is it? Pamela, please.
Akwei.
Well done. Tiffany.
Akwei.
Akwei. Wow. Karima.
Akwei.
Akwei. Wow. Well done. Ekumaki. Ekumaki.
Ekumaki. Ekumaki.
Mande. Key. I think. Okay, that's fine. Let's go for Emily. Go ahead, Emily. Go ahead.
Ekumaki.
Wow, Ekumaki. Pamela.
Ekumaki.
Pamela.
Ekumanki.
Well done. Tiffany.
Ekumaniki.
N and K gives you key. You did well.
Ekumanki.
Well done. The way you did pronounce my name, that's exactly what I mean. The tonality, the tone, key. N and K, you don't read the N. It is with K, you got the
Ki.
exactly. Well done.
Ekumaki.
Karima, please.
Ikumaki.
Ekumaki.
Ikumaki.
The reason Kuma means the reason or the cause. Okay. Listen to me carefully. I know this is not easy. Kewaukwe.
Keakwe.
Okay, let me try to
Keokwe?
okay.
Keakwe.
Kewauke.
Oh, Keaukwe.
Kewau.
Keo-
Let me
Kewaukwe.
okay, what is it?
Keokwe.
That's
Ah,
what I
what
got
is
it.
Kewauke?
Keaukwe.
Keokwe.
Kewauko. Can you just read Kewau?
Keokwe.
Can you just read Kewauko? Let me repeat.
Keokwe.
Let's just drop the if. Kewauko. Can you just read Kewauko?
Keavuko.
Well, Kewauko. Tiffany, please.
Kewauko.
Kewauko. Mm-hmm.
Kewauko.
Well done, Kewauko. Karima, please.
Kewauko.
Well done, Kewauko. Now you can add the EWE, Kewaukwe. Emily, please.
Kewauko.
Well done.
Kewauko.
Kewaukwe, yeah, well done. Kewaukwe. Kewaukwe. Well done. Pamela, please.
Keaukwe.
Kewaukwe. Kewaukwe.
Keaukwe.
This will sound like, see the between the bracket, see Kewauko, but will sound Kewaukwe.
Keaukwe.
Kewauko.
Keaukwe.
Kewaukwe.
Keaukwe.
Well done. Karima, please.
Okay.
Kewauko.
Well, what does it mean in English?
Isn't that right?
Yes. Will sound, can you read the last sentence, please? Will sound, yes?
Will sound more like.
Will sound more like Kewauko.
Go ahead. Well done. Wow. Ah. Sansuka, Emily. Sansuka, Emily. Emily.
Sansuka.
Sa.
Soundsuka.
Well done.
Sound.
Mount the long vowel. Sansuka. Emily, please.
Soundsuka.
Be well. Good stuff. Pamela, please.
Sansuka.
Hey. Well done. Diambote.
Diambote.
Yeah, be careful. Not Kia. Yeah.
It's Diambote.
Tiffany, please.
Sansuka.
Well done. Wow. Karima, please.
Sansuka.
Wow. Sansuka, well done. Ah. Listen. Undoloka.
Oh, okay.
Undoloka.
Undaloka.
Emily, please.
Undaloka.
I can't hear you, Emily.
Undaloka.
Ah, Undoloka. Okay, your video. Issue your video thing. Pamela, please.
Undoloka.
Wow. It is in the blood, you know.
My family is costarricenses. It kind of helps.
Tiffany, please. Undoloka.
Undoloka.
Karima,
Undolaka.
thank you very much. Wow.
I like that one.
Ah, okay. It's getting. Listen. Remember, now, okay, away ovovele, away ovovele.
Away ovovele.
Wow, Emily, let us listen to Emily. Emily, go ahead, please.
Away over Vele.
Ah, well done. Away ovovele. Pamela, please.
Owe Ovovele.
Away over valley. Wow. Tiffany, please.
Away Ovo Valley.
Karima.
Away over Vele.
Yeah. Wow. What did you say? Next time, this is the first lesson. We need to remember these words because next lesson we're going to use them.
Okay.
We start talking in Kikongo. Yeah. Our ancestors' mother tongue. Yeah. Tiffany. Next time, if you claim you're from Royal, be careful.
I better get it right.
No excuse.
I better get it right. That's all I can say.
Emily, please.
Kiwiriko.
Okay, let me read it. We have long vowel.
Okay.
Kiwidiko. Kiwidiko. Kiwidiko.
Kiwiriko.
Emily, please.
Kiwiriko.
Okay. Pamela, please.
Kiwiriko.
Kiwiriko.
Well done. Wow.
What bike is that? What bike is that?
Princess of Congo.
Kiwiriko.
Tiffany, please.
Kiwidiko.
Well done. Karima, please.
Kiwiriko.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
yeah.
Okay.
Now,
Well, okay.
now we need to present ourselves.
Akumbo.
Nkua, Nkumbe, Ame.
Let me read for you now. Good try. Wow, well done. Ekumbwame, ekumbuame, ekumbwame. Emily, please.
Nkuame.
Ekumbu ame. Ekumbu
Ekumbwame.
ame.
Emily,
Ekumbu
please.
ame.
Nkuame.
Ekumbu ame.
Yeah, ekumbwame. You say your name, Emily. Ekumbwame, ekumbwame.
Ekumbu ame Emily.
Yeah,
Ekumbu
ekumbwame.
ame Emily.
Well done. Pamela, please.
Nkumbwame.
Yes, good. Well done. Good, good.
Okay, Nkumbwame, Pamela.
Well done. Tiffany, please.
Nkumbu Ame Tiffany.
Hey.
Nkumbu Ame Tiffany.
Indeed, yeah. Karima, please.
Ikumu Wambe Karima.
Well done. Wow. Okay, this is the last slide. I'm going to the next one. Any question on this one?
No, I don't have any.
No.
Okay, we can review next time, but let us. Diambote, you done well. Huh? First class, first lesson, you go on lesson. Wow, Diambote. It is in the blood. You can see it. It is indeed.
Amen.
Let us go to the first. Okay, well, let me just try to open another slide. Okay, this is the one, yes. Okay. Bear with me 1 second. I need to share my screen. Wow, well done, Jambote. Wow. I need to change my screen. Jambote. And my screen is there. Yeah, we can jump from this one. Okay, this is the second. I mean, the first one was lesson 1, section 1.
Okay.
This one is lesson 1 still, but section 2. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Gayamusi. Gayamusi.
Kiamusi.
Kamusi.
Kiamusi.
Well done. Well done, Emily.
Kamusi.
Pamela, go ahead, please.
Kayamusi?
Kiamusi, yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Kamusi.
That will all because of the long vowel.
Kamusi.
Kiamusi.
Kamusi.
Still O, still O. Still O. Kiamosi.
Kamosi.
Still O, yeah, because it
Okay,
is the long
Kiamosi.
vowel. Yeah, that's why it is written like this. This is a phonetic spelling. That's when you don't write it like this. That will help us to pronounce it correctly.
So it's Kamosi.
Well done. Wow.
Okay.
Kiazole.
Kiazole.
Emily, please, Kiazole. Emily.
Kiazole.
Wow. Kiazole. Pamela.
Kiazole.
Wow. Tiffany, please.
Cazole.
Yes. Karima.
Canzole.
Kiazole. Well done. Let's. Kiatatu.
Kiatu.
Kiatatu.
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 A long vowel. Kiatatu.
Kiatatu.
Well done, Pamela. Tiffany, please.
Kiatatu.
Karima, please.
Kayato.
Kiatatu.
Kiatatu.
Emily, can you go ahead again, please? Emily, please.
Kiatu.
Kiatatu.
Kiatu.
Oh, yes.
Kiatatu.
Kiaya. Kiaya. Kiaya.
Kiaya.
Emily, please.
Kia. Kia.
Kiaya. Kiaya. Emily, please.
Kia.
Well done. Pamela.
Kia.
Kiaya.
Tiffany.
Kiaya.
Wow, well done. Karima, please.
Kaya.
Thursday. This Kiaya is Thursday. It is Thursday. Kiatan. Kiatan.
Kiatan.
Kiatan.
Kiatan.
Emily, please. Kiatan.
Kiatano.
Pamela.
Kiatano.
Yes, Pamela.
Kiatano.
Yeah. Basically, what we learn here, apart from learning reading, always remember long vowel. You don't write it WA. When you write just one A. But this is a phonetic spelling to help us, just to help us to read it correctly.
Okay.
Tiffany, please.
Kiatano.
Well done. Karima.
Kayanto.
Kiatano. Well done.
Kayano.
Yes,
Kayano.
Kiatano. Okay, listen, carefully, listen. Kiasabala. Kiasabala. Kiasabala.
Quesabala. Quesabala.
Emily, please.
Quesabala. Quesabala. Quesabala.
Please. Yes, Pamela, please.
Quesabala.
Tiffany.
Kiasabala.
Well done. Karima, your turn, please.
Tabula.
Yes. Kialumingo.
Calumingo.
Kialumingo.
Calumingo.
Okay.
Emily, please.
Mingo. Calamingo.
Well done. Pamela.
Kialumingo.
Tiffany, please.
Calumingo.
Well done. Karima.
Kalamingo.
Kialumingo.
Domingo.
Kialumingo.
Portuguese.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it's original from Portuguese. With Kialumingo. Sunday. If you take away Kia, we left with Lumingo. Lumingo means week. A week. In Kikongo. Lumingo.
Domingo.
Lumingo.
Okay. Oh, wow. Euno, kata uno.
Eunu kiatano.
Uno.
Okay.
Uno. Katano.
Mm.
Can you read the place?
Okay.
Eunu
Uno.
kiatano. Kiatano is
Uno.
Friday.
Katano.
Okay.
Mm.
Question to all. Okay, Pamela, please go ahead.
Oh, Eunu katano.
Eunu kiatano. Tiffany.
Ewunu Kiatanu.
Good. Karima, please.
Iwunu Katane.
Okay. Listen carefully now. Here comes the test. To all of us, the test.
A test.
Yep.
It says Eunu kiatano, but today is not kiatano. Eunu kia
Uno,
kia.
yeah.
Oh,
Calumingo.
well
Mingo.
done.
Calumingo.
Well done. Eunu kiamingo. Today is Sunday. Eunu.
Today is Sunday.
Yeah. Eunu kiamingo.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
For the arrival of Western countries, had our own system. But Congo Kingdom Week was 4 days.
Oh, it's only okay.
Yeah, 4 days. Bear with me. I need to someone that's going to explain to you. It should be online. What? Give one hint. He's a advisor. Can you hear the ringtone? Can you hear the ringtone?
Who?
Yes.
Yes.
Ringing. Oh, Manu Parker, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh,
How are you?
good. You are live. We have a sister here. We have Karima from New York, Tiffany from Las Vegas, Pamela from Florida. In Los Angeles, we have Emily. Now, you help us to understand weak system among the Congo.
Nice to meet you all, even though virtually.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello.
Gambote.
Yambote.
Gambote.
Cambote.
Yambote Kieno.
Yambote. Yeah.
Oh, Tuyangalele, Tuyangalele.
Yangalele means I'm happy. We are happy. Yeah.
Tuyangalele. Yetulutambu limo. Tambulu Yambote.
He said that you are welcome. You are very welcome. Okay, Manu Parker, go ahead, please explain to us weak system among the Congo, please.
Sorry, repeat that. I didn't hear you.
Yeah, remember we're talking about the weak system among the Congo. Remember we have 4 days between the arrival of the Western countries in Congo Kingdom. We did have our own week.
Yes.
We have a first day, second day, third day, fourth day. Can you explain to us, please? The first day was Kyakenge, was it?
There was Lumbuyankenge.
Yes.
Lumbuyankondo.
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
Lumbukia Pangala. Mhm.
Lumbukia Mpangala.
Lumbukia Tsona.
Lumbukia
Okay. Can you just explain to us quickly how did it work? How did it work?
Yes, it works like this. For example, Nkenge.
Mm-hmm.
Lumbukia Nkenge.
Mm-hmm.
It's used to vary every 3 days. Nkenge will fall. If this week was on Saturday or
Mhm.
on Thursday,
Mm-hmm.
maybe the next one will fall on Friday
Yes.
or even on Monday after 3 days. So
Yes.
that's how it used to work.
Mm.
This work it out.
Okay. Okay, Man Park, I won't take your time. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you. See you later.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Tutondele,
Bye-bye.
tutondele. 1 minute. Someone go to say bye to you in Kikongo. Who can say that?
Tutandale.
Ah, Emily, go ahead.
Tutandale.
Go ahead. He's going, just him. We're in the campote.
Meander.
Yeah, combo thing. I don't
Okay, bye-bye.
wrote
Thank
it
you.
down.
Bye-bye.
I have to go through all my notes.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Mende.
I have Musala Campote. That's right. Musala
Okay,
Campote.
thank you very much. Okay, here. Okay, we have to now. Bear with me. Any question? Are you okay?
Monday, Numbu Kimuso. Numbu Kimuso.
Watch the video on our YouTube channel. When you have time.
Different place. Oh, okay. I understand now. Okay.
Question? Any question?
What happened to the last screen? It was
Now we finished. We're going to a different screen now.
okay.
Don't worry. Now we're going to something easy. I think easy. Okay. Let's see if it is easy. You are going to love it. Numbers.
Ooh.
Numbers. Numbers. Congo numbers. Yeah, let me just share my screen. Congo numbers. What is it? This one. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Numbers. Very easy. I can guarantee it's very easy. Just bear with me. Let me just do it for you. Then each one's going to count. Pavala. Remember, Kikongo is an intonation language. Tonality, very important. Pavala. Mosi.
Pavala.
So let me just read, then I'm going to read. Let each one go to read. Let me just do it for you, please. Pavala. Mosi. Zole. Remember Kiazole. Remember? Kiazole. Basically here, if you remember the weekday, up to 5, it's fine. Same thing. Kiamosi, Mosi, Kiazole 2. Let me just read again. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Voix, and Kumi. Kumi is 10. You can't see from my screen. I don't know.
Oh, okay. I can't.
Kumi is 10.
Kumi is 10.
Yes, we can't see from here. I think it's next slide. Emily, you're 10. Emily.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Pavala, Mosi. Pavala, Mosi. Zole, Tatu,
Yeah.
Ya,
Mhm.
Tanu,
Yeah. Mhm.
Sabanu,
Sambanu. Yeah.
Sambandia,
Sambanu.
Nana, Voa,
Sambadia.
Sambadia,
Well done.
Nana,
Now. Mhm.
and
Voix. Voix.
Voa.
Voix. Well done.
Voa, and
Wow. Yeah, that's fun. Tiffany, please, numbers.
Me?
Yes, please, from 0 to 9, please. Pavala. Mhm.
Pavala, Musi, Zole,
Mhm.
Tatu,
Mhm.
Ya, Tanu, Sambanu,
Mhm. Tambwadia.
Sambuadia,
Mhm.
Nana, Voa.
Wow, wow. Pamela, you are not out of the hook.
Okay.
Your time, Pamela. Go ahead.
Okay. Ready? Pavala, Mosi,
Yeah.
Zoli,
Wow.
Tatu,
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Ya, Tanu, Sabanu,
Tambwadia.
Sambwadia, Nana, Voa.
Way. Karima.
Okay. Pamela, Mosi,
Mhm.
Zali,
Mhm.
Tatu,
Mhm.
Yamuga, Tamu,
Sambanu. Mhm.
Olo,
Tambwadia.
Sabia,
Mhm.
um,
Voix. Voix.
Voa.
Okay. Kumi is 10. Kumi is 10.
Umi?
Kumi is 10.
Umi. Okay.
Number unities from 0 to 9.
Okay.
But now we go to tens now. Tens. Kumi is 10.
Kumi.
I can't see that.
Oh, sorry.
Kumi.
Mhm. Okay, we just go to tens. Kumi. I mean, decimals, yeah.
Can you make it larger?
10. Let me try it for you.
Okay.
Let me just. Kumi 10.
Mm-hmm.
Makumole 20. Makuma 32. Remember something recurring here. Mole zole. Remember 2, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Kazole, something recurring, yeah? Mole, kazole, mole, makuma tatu. Tatu, remember tatu free?
Mm-hmm. 3. Okay.
Tatu
And
free.
Maya.
Kaya, Thursday.
What is Maya?
Sorry?
What is this Maya?
Makumaya.
Makumaya. What does it mean?
What is
Makumatanu. Makuma sambanu. Remember, from 10, from 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 to 60, the prefix is maku, then you same number from unit from 0 to 9.
Okay. Cool.
Kumi, makumole. Can you try it, Emily?
Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu, Makumaya, Makumatanu, Makumasabanu.
Well done. We can just stop there for the moment. Pamela, please.
Kumi,
Well done,
Makumole, Maku. Gotta move your cursor, move it because I can't see. Maku,
Sure.
Maku Matatu, Maku Maya, Maku Matunu, Maku Masambanu.
Wow, we can stop this to 60. Because this is just repetition. It's just from 0 to 9.
Okay.
From 0 to 6. Honey, please.
Kumi.
Mm-hmm.
Maku mole.
Mm-hmm.
Maku matatu.
Well done.
Maku maya. Maku matanu.
Mm-hmm.
Maku masabanu.
Wow, well done. Wow. Karima, please.
I cannot see.
Yeah, it's small. It's very small.
Go on the screen. Issue with screen. I need to change this screen. My file. I need to update it. Okay. Kumi is 10. Can you see? We got Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwada, Nana, Vwa. What is Sambanu?
Sambanu.
6. Is Sambanu 6?
Yeah, well done. Spot on. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Emily, what is Tatu? This is
3.
3.
What is Nana?
No, it's
Nana?
8.
Yeah,
8.
well done. Okay. Keep this in mind. You just need to use yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You got tens here. Just needs yeah, and you got the units here.
Okay.
Yes. How do I say 22?
Oh,
E.
Maku Mole Zole?
Well done. Wow, well done. That was Pamela, I think.
Yes.
But yeah, you got yeah. Before units, you got yeah.
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 Yeah, Maku Mole Zole?
Omole yeah, Mosi. 21.
Okay. Okay.
Wow. How do I say 32? Emily, please.
Makumole Yezole.
32, Emily. Makuma Tatu.
Oh, Makumatu Zole.
Well done, Makuma Tatu Yezole. How do I say 44? 44. Tiffany, please.
Maku maya. Yeah.
Good. Something was missing in between. Tens and units. You got
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. Means
Maku
ten.
maya. Yeah.
Wow, can't believe it. Wow. Pamela, how do I say 54?
Maku. Okay. 54. Maku Matanu Yeah.
Unbelievable. Wow. I can't believe it. How do I say 64? Emily.
Maku Masabanu Ya.
Wow, well done. Okay. Just a review. Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Vwa.
Wow.
These are units. Then we got tens here.
Wow.
Okay. This is we got the hardest bit. Now we're jumping from 70 to 200.
Cannot see your screen. Whatever that is, I cannot see it.
Okay.
Yes, very blurry.
It's blurry.
Very
Cannot see
small.
it.
Okay. Let me just start. Bear with me 1 minute.
Okay.
I need to. Where is it? Let me just go from the file. Okay, I think the best way to do is we go back to where we were. Makumolo 20, Makuma 30, Makuma ya 40, Makuma 10, 50, Makuma Sambanu 60. I'm going back. Don't look into your notes. Who is brave enough? 22. I'm going to help. Start with Maku. 22. I can help your help. Just it's there. Your help is there.
Mm-hmm. So
Maku.
you want 22? So Makuzole? Yazole?
Makumole ye zole. Well done, because Makumole. You just change this. Makumole. Okay, I think we should stop there.
Okay, because
Stop there. We've done well today. We're going back next time to this. How do you call it? To this
Lesson?
slide.
Okay.
Yeah, this lesson. This is hard for you, but we're going to jump quickly to something easy for you. Very, very quick. Then we finish. Wow, well done. You done well. Wow. I'm very impressed. You done well.
thank you.
Yeah, seriously, you done well. Wow.
Mhm.
Okay, this is our last slide. Remember how to say bye. To say bye to someone who is going, leaving, is leaving.
Someone who's leaving. So it's is it Sala Kimbote? No.
Rienda Kayambote.
They're leaving. Yeah, well done. Wow. Okay, this is English. Who can help us to read?
Kikongo is an intonation language. Therefore, wrong pronunciation can change the meaning of a word.
It's very important to remember all along our lessons. Very important to remember. Let us go to the next. Okay. Now, Emily, can I trust you?
Kikongo phonetic.
Okay, you read the yellow and the white in yellow.
Bunga.
Well done.
Boy's name. Bunga.
Bunga. Man, the phonetic. Bunga.
Bunga.
Pamela, please.
Bunga.
Tiffany.
Mbunga.
Well done. Karima, please.
Mbunga.
Well done. Wow. Then we have a girl's name, Nzumba.
Zumba. Zumba.
Nzumba.
Zumba.
Zumba. Nzumba.
Zumba.
Tiffany, please.
Zumba.
Yeah, nice names. These are nice names.
Bemba.
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 Remember, the Kikongo, it is an international language. Remember, Mbemba.
Bemba.
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 Wow, well done. Karima, can you see?
Bemba. Yes, I can see this. Yes.
Yeah, this is big. Mbemba. This is in the Congo falcon, the bird. Bemba.
Bemba.
Benza. Please, Karima.
Benza.
Benza. Remember, listen carefully to the long vowels. Mbemba.
Bemba.
Bemba. Mbemba. Benza. Well,
Benza.
Benza.
yeah, this is my name.
Panzu.
Panzu.
Hey,
Panzu.
Tiffany, I want to meet
Panzu.
Tiffany, please.
Bamba.
Tiffany, please.
Panzu.
Hey, well done. This is the name. Ah, this is secret. Listen to the secret, yeah. This is
Bomba.
Bumba.
Boomba.
Panzu
Boomba.
Bumba.
Well done.
Singa.
Zinga. Zinga.
Zinga.
Zinga.
Karima, please. Zinga.
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 Zinga. Zingambandi. Famous name. Nzimbu.
Zimbu.
Zimbu.
Nzimbu. Who likes Nzimbu?
Lots of
Yeah,
Zimbu.
all of us. Sex name, Zimbu.
Yeah. This one just a repeat of what we've seen. Phonetic spelling of Kikongo for some Kikongo words. Long vowels. Kikongo. You write Kikongo, but
Kikongo.
exactly when you say it, you say, remember the long vowel. Kikongo.
Kikongo.
Malongo. Kikongo.
Malongo.
Malongo means lessons, advice. Tata.
Father.
Tata.
Tata. What does tata mean?
Father.
Father.
Father. Tata.
Tata. Normally, tata, we use it for sir, for daddy, dad, our father, we say, say,
Mr. Sir.
say. We call say. Say means dad. If I say diame, my dad. Nengwa,
Nangwa.
madam.
Mrs. Mother.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, yes. And this one, Sala.
Sa-
I don't know if I have that.
What is Sala?
Sala. Goodbye. No. Sala Kimbote. I don't know that one.
Stay. Yes. To stay.
Sala.
To stay.
Stay. Okay.
Stay.
Sala, stay.
But same word, listen carefully. Same word, sala means work, working. Sala. But
Okay.
sala work is not. You don't have a long vowel.
Right. So it's Sala, and the other one is Sala.
Well done, well, Pamela. This one stay.
Stay, and the other one is work. Okay.
That's work. But
Okay.
you're still writing in the same way. You read Sala, but the meaning comes from your pronunciation.
Mm.
That's why it's very important to pronounce correctly.
Nwenda.
Nwenda.
Wenda.
Nwenda.
Wenda.
Kiambote. Remember? Go well. Nwenda Kiambote. Go well. You lot. Many of you. Diambo. Diambo means issues. It depends on the context. Issues. Word can mean word as well. Okay, I'm very, very impressed. We are stopping there.
Okay.
Did you like it? Our mother tongue.
Good.
That was it? How did you say Congo, Emily? How did you say? How was it?
Oh, what's the word? I can't remember.
Yeah, it was Zambote. Remember, now we are saying bye. You are leaving me. You are going to say something to me. I'm staying. You are going.
I had it.
I'm staying.
Lasagna. Kiambote.
Yeah, well done.
Okay.
Like Cambodia. Thank you very much, sisters. That was good. Pangame. Remember, keep writing on our in our group. Pangi. What does Pangi mean? Means.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yutondele means thank you. Pangi. Pangame, brothers and sisters. Yeah, Pangi. Pangame is my brother or my sister. Any questions?
No,
You done well, done well. Karima, you all right? Question?
Yeah, I'm trying to hang in there.
Okay. Okay.
Yep, trying to hang in there.
Sorry?
I said I'm trying to hang in there. I'm doing fine.
You done well. All of you done well. I'm very, very impressed. Wow. Nuenda Kiambote. I'm saying to you, Nuenda Kiambote. You, not one person. You, Nuenda Kiambote. One person of the say, Wenda. But you, many, Nuenda. I'm saying, you're telling me, what do you say to me? I'm saying, you did say before, Emily.
Oh, Winda.
Yeah, I'm
Winda.
saying,
Winda combo.
I'm saying, you are going, I said to you, Nuenda
Masala Kambote.
Yeah, well done. Okay.
Masala combo.
Okay.
A lot of Kambote going on up in here.
Thank you very much. Any questions?
No, I don't have any. Nice meeting you ladies, by the way.
It's nice meeting you too.
you as well.
Okay. We'll talk to each other in our group. What's called? How to call it? WhatsApp group, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Nuenda Kambote. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Kambote. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mbaki malauka sekulu betu sikuti na Samueli bakome yango ya mpio yo Roger Massamba Chana Sélection Victoire hapa tukwenda hapa tukutoka kumbanda Kongo tuduruka Kongo kumbanda Kongo nana shushu nanga kumbanda Kongo ya yale premalia kumbanda Kongo salayo mayengo Lais mayasi lenga mambo mulewa wili mete mulewa José Congolo, FBI, Mermideko, la loi, la Katia Tipka, Somoa, Pesa, Pesa ambiance, Pesa, Pesa ambiance, la Katia Volcan, Chile Locondo, Pesa, Elengia. Kamabi Makabi.